Hi guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IIT JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. So this will be the ninth session guys. This is a ninth session of PYQs of differentiation. I am done with all the differentiation questions from 2004 to 2020. 2020 questions, everything we have covered. Now I am doing PYQs of Comet K guys. If you have missed my previous classes, please do watch the videos in live on YouTube, right? And then if you're new here guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my free special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, and please do follow me on the app as well, Unacademy app as well, so that you get notifications there as well. Okay, now guys, before I start up my session, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Alright, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well, people are taking the exam in 2022. Alright, it covers both 11th and 12th, that is first year, first PUC and second PUC topics. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, guys, you get 10% discount. Below the description box, there is a link there to use the subscription. To take the subscription, and there is this referral code as well. You can use this referral code to get 10% discount. And for 6 months, it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount, and per month 2250. That's a throwaway price in Karnataka. With this plus subscription, you get all this guys premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPP, that is daily practice paper, full-length mock, etc. with analysis, with immediate feedbacks. You get all this under single subscription, guys. So there's a free practice test series for Karnataka CET aspirants. Do take up this test series as well, guys. Right, now let me start with guys. I stopped at question number 79, I guess. Yeah, up to 78 I have done. This is session 9 of PYQs of differentiation. Yeah, I should start from here, guys. Question number 79. If the function is continuous at x is equal to 0, what should be the value of k? Right, so it's already continuous, right? So let me take like this. Limit x is tending to 0. Limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0. Now that's equal to limit x is tending to 0. F of x will be equal to 1 minus cos x, okay, upon x is equal to, at x is equal to 0, output is k. That's already mentioned in the question. So this is k, this is given. Right, this is given. Now x is tending to 0, guys, you get 0 by 0 form. Right, so I'm going to use L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate the numerator denominator separately. So I'll write this as limit x is tending to 0 of, okay, limit x is tending to 0 of, differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of minus cos is plus sign, and differentiation of x is 1, okay, is equal to k. X is tending to 0, you will get this as sine 0 plus k. Sine 0 will be 0, so k equal to 0. Right, answer is option A. Yes, sine 0 will be equal to 0, answer is option A. Let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 80. Okay, now the question is x is equal to a into cos 40, a into cos 40 plus b into sin 40. Okay, what will be double, what is d square x by dt square? If I let's call this as equation 1, right? Or let me call this equation 1, both are same. If I differentiate once, dx by dt is equal to a is a constant, differentiation of cos is minus sin, so it will be minus 4 sin 40. Again, differentiation of sin is cos, so this will be equal to 4b cos 40. So I differentiate it once, right? If I differentiate once again, d square y upon dt square is equal to minus 4a, and differentiation of sin 40 will be equal to 4 cos 40. Okay, and then plus 4b. Differentiation of sin 40 cos 40 will be equal to minus 4 sin 40. So this becomes d square x by dt square. D square x by dt square is equal to, okay, minus 16a cos 40. Okay, and then minus 16b sin 40. So I get this as d square x by dt square, okay, is equal to minus 16 is a constant. You will get this as a into cos 40 plus b into sin 40. Right, now let us use equation 1, guys. This is from equation 1. If I use equation 1, this becomes d square x upon dt square, okay, is equal to minus 16 into x. Okay, that is from equation 1. A cos 40 plus b sin 40 is equal to x only. So this becomes d square x upon dt square. Okay, minus 16 you shift on the left side, you get plus 16x is equal to 0. Or what's the value of double derivative? Double derivative is equal to minus 16x. You can stop here itself. Okay, this step is not required. Stop here itself. That's equal to minus 16x. This itself is the answer. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 80. Yeah, 81. Y equal to log of, this is Comet K, all these are PYQs of Comet K, guys. Y is equal to log of tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. If I differentiate once, dy by dx is equal to, okay, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of log tan x will be equal to 1 by tan x. It will be equal to 1 by tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, and then differentiation of tan x is sec square x. This will be equal to sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2, isn't it? And then again differentiation of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is 1 by 2. I'm using chain rule. I repeat myself, guys. Log tan x is 1 by tan x. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Differentiation of pi by 4 plus x by 2 is 1 by 2. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to, okay, 1 by tan can be written as cot. So this is cot of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, this will be equal to sec square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. And then this is 1 by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to, cot can be written as cos by sine. This will be equal to cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, divided by sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, and then c can be written as 1 by cos. This is equal to 1 by cos square of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, and then plus 1 upon 2. This cos will cancel with the square, isn't it? This cos will cancel with the square. Okay, let me continue here. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to, right, 1 upon 2 sine of pi by 4 plus x by 2 and cos of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay, now this is of the form, guys. This is of the form 2 sine theta into cos theta. That's equal to sine 2 theta. Isn't it? So I'll use the double angle formula. So this becomes dy by dx is equal to, okay, 1 upon sine 2 theta. Sine of 2 into pi by 4 plus 6 by 2. Right, so 1 upon sine of, if I multiply 2, you get pi by 2 plus x. 90 plus theta second quadrant cos is, sine is positive, ratio will change to co-ratio. Sine will change to cos, this will be equal to cos x. Sine of 90 plus x is equal to cos only. Isn't it, guys? Now 1 by cos will be equal to sec x, so you get this as sec x. Right, answer will be equal to option A. Yes, guys, answer is option A only. Let's move to question number 82. Again, comment K question. What's the value of dy by dx? Question number 82. See, let me tell you guys here. Whenever you have under the root 1 minus x by 1 plus x, or under the root 1 plus x by 1 minus x, you will put x equal to cos theta. Isn't it? Under the root 1 plus x 1 minus x, or 1 minus x 1 plus x, x should be equal to cos theta only. So if I look into this arrangement, instead of x you have x square. So what I'll do is I'm going to put x square is equal to cos theta. Okay, I repeat myself, you compare this arrangement and you compare this arrangement. In place of x you have x square. So here we put x equal to cos theta. Here I'm going to substitute x square itself as cos theta. From this, okay, now this becomes y equal to sine square of, okay, y equal to sine square of, this will be tan inverse, okay, and then root of 1 minus cos divided by 1 plus cos, okay, and close the bracket. Y equal to sine square of, this will be tan inverse root of 1 minus cos theta is 2 sine square theta by 2. Okay, and 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Right, 2 and 2 cancels. So this becomes y equal to sine square of, y is equal to sine square of tan inverse, okay, root of sine square by cos square is tan square. You will get tan square theta by 2. Okay, root and square cancels. This becomes y equal to sine square of, you will get tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Now tan inverse of tan theta by 2 will be theta by 2 only. So this becomes sine square of theta by 2. Isn't it, guys? Yeah. You will get this as sine square of theta by 2. Okay, we all know this, that 1 minus cos theta will be equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. And from this I can write 1 minus cos theta upon 2 is equal to sine square theta by 2. Okay, so if I use the formula, guys, this becomes y equal to sine square theta by 2 can be written as 1 minus cos theta, okay, and whole divided by 2. Cos square theta is x, initial substitution. Okay, let me substitute back. This becomes y is equal to 1 minus x square upon 2. Right, now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, I'll keep as it is. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2 and 2 cancels. You will get this as minus x. Answer is option B. Isn't it, guys? Yeah. So let's move to the next question. Again, comment K question. Whole root of x plus x by y plus whole root of y upon x is equal to root a. What should be the first derivative? Okay, let me do like this, guys. Listen. If you square on both sides, Okay, so this becomes a square, root and square cancels, plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into root of x by y, okay, into root of y by x is equal to a. I'm just squaring on both sides, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I get x of x by y plus x upon y upon x plus 2 into 1. Okay, this will get cancelled, x will get cancelled, y will get cancelled, is equal to a. Right, now let me just continue here, guys. So I have x upon y plus y upon x plus 2 is equal to a. Is it not? X upon y plus y upon x is plus 2 is equal to a. Now if I differentiate this, if I differentiate with respect to x, let us use quotient rule. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator. Denominator the whole square is y square. Okay, here also same. Denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator upon denominator the whole square plus 0 is equal to 0. Right, now this becomes y minus x into dy by dx upon y square is equal to, if I shift on the right side, this becomes x into dy by dx minus y upon x square. Right, I cross multiply, guys. We will get this as x square into y minus x cube into dy by dx is equal to minus x into y square, okay, x into y square dy by dx. Okay, and then if you cross multiply, open this bracket, minus and minus is plus, this is y cube. If you cross multiply, alright, now this becomes, I'll do the grouping, guys. If I do the grouping, this becomes x square y minus y cube, okay, is equal to, if you shift on the right side, you get x cube into dy by dx minus x into y square into dy by dx. Okay, so I'm going to take y common, so this becomes x square minus y square is equal to, okay, I take x into dy by dx common, x into dy by dx if I take common, so this becomes x square minus y square, isn't it? So this fellow will get cancelled. From this I can get y upon x is equal to dy by dx. That's the answer, guys. Dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Square on both sides, then it will be easy. So y upon x is equal to dy by dx. That is option B. I repeat myself, all these are comment K questions, guys. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 84. dx by dt, if I use quotient rule here, the question is x is equal to 1 minus t upon 1 plus t. Dx by dt is equal to denominator differentiation of numerator minus numerator differentiation of denominator, but denominator the whole square is 1 plus t the whole square. This is minus 1 minus t. Okay, minus 1 minus and minus is plus t by 1 plus t the whole square. Right, this will cancel. You will get minus 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. This is dx by dt. Alright, now y is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t. If I differentiate this, d square y upon dt square is equal to, denominator is 1 plus t, differentiation of numerator is 2, minus numerator, differentiation of denominator 1, upon denominator the whole square is 1 plus t the whole square. Okay, now let's multiply, guys. So this becomes 2 plus 2t. Okay, 2 plus 2t minus 2t. divided by 1 plus t the whole square. So this fellow will get cancelled. You get 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. Yeah, 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. Right now, this is dy by dt. I'm sorry, this is dy by dt. Right now, I finished dx by dt. I have finished dy by dt. Right now, if I use the parametric differentiation, dy by dx is equal to dy by dt, okay, upon dx by dt. So what is dy by dt, guys? Just now we found out, right? 2 divided by 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. And what is dx by dt? Minus 2 upon 1 plus t the whole square. Okay, these two will get cancelled. You will get dy by dx is equal to minus 1. Right? If I differentiate once again, you get d square y upon dx square, okay, is equal to 0. Differentiation of 1 will be 0 only. So d square y upon dx square is 0. That is our answer is option D. Let's move to next question. Question number 85. Function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Then what should be the value of k? Right? It's already continuous, right? If it is continuous, then I am supposed to write limit x is tending to 0. It's continuous at 0. Limit x is tending to 0. F of x is equal to f of 0. So limit x is tending to 0 of f of x is equal to e to the power of 3x. E power 3x minus 1 upon 4x is equal to f of 0. So directly if I put x is equal to 0 here, you get k upon 4. Right? This will cancel. So I get limit x is tending to 0 of, okay, limit x is tending to 0 of e power 3x minus 1 upon x, okay, is equal to k. Either use that special limit formula, or anyways this is 0 by 0 form. Use L'Hopital's rule. Differentiate the numerator and denominator separately. So limit x is tending to 0 of, if I differentiate, use L'Hopital's rule, differentiation of e power 3x is 3 e power 3x. Differentiation of 1 is 0, differentiation of x is 1 equal to k. X is tending to 0, you get 3 into e power 0 is equal to k. So the value of k will be equal to 3. Okay, so the value of k will be equal to 3. Answer is option B. Let's go to the next question, guys. Question number 86. So let me take this function power function, right? So what I'll do is I'll take a is equal to limit x is tending to infinity. Limit x is tending to infinity, x to the power of 1 by x. I take log on both these sides. Log a is equal to limit x is tending to infinity, log of x to the power of 1 by x. I'm just taking log on both sides. Now log a to the base e is equal to limit x is tending to infinity of, okay, log m power n. Log m power n is equal to n log m. So this will be equal to 1 upon x, okay, into log x to the base e. So this becomes, okay, this becomes log a to the base e is equal to limit x is tending to infinity. Limit x is tending to infinity, x is tending to infinity log x upon x. Okay, this is infinity by infinity form. Let us use L'Hopital's rule. Log a to the base c is equal to log limit x is tending to infinity of, okay, differentiation of log x is 1 by x and differentiation of x is 1. Now x is tending to infinity, Okay, this will be 0 because whenever x is tending to infinity, 1 by x will tend to 0, isn't it? Because 1 by infinity is 0. So when you have suppose log x to the base e or base a is equal to m, you should write x is equal to e per m. So here I get a is equal to e to the power of 0, right? E per 0 is 1. Answer will be option E. Comment key question, guys. So a is equal to e per 0, e per 0 will be equal to 1. Answer will be option A only. Let's move to the next question. Question number 87. Find the differential coefficient of f of sin x with respect to f of log x. Okay, so differentiation of a function with respect to one more function. I take this as f of x, y is equal to f of sin x. F of sin x, z is equal to f of log x. Okay, y with respect to z, I am supposed to find out what is dy by dz. Okay, so if I differentiate dy by dx is equal to differentiation of f of sin x is f dash of sin x. Okay, and then differentiation of sin x is cos x. dz by dx is equal to differentiation of f of log x is f dash of log x. And then differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Right, now y with respect to z is dy by dz. dy by dz can be written as dy by dx upon dz by dx. dy by dx will be equal to f dash of sin x this is f dash of sin x no guys, the question is find a differential coefficient of find the differential equation of f of sin x with respect to x where f is equal to log x. Okay, now you get f of x is equal to actually log x, isn't it? F of x is equal to log x. Now I am supposed to find the differential coefficient of f of sin x with respect to x. That is, I am supposed to find out what is dy by dx, isn't it? Right, where f of x is equal to log x. If f of x is equal to log x, f of sin x, that is replace x by sin x, f of sin x will be equal to log of sin x. Okay, I repeat myself, guys. F of x is equal to log x, f of sin x will be equal to log of sin x. The question is, it is not differentiation of a function with respect to one more function. Find a differential coefficient of f of sin x with respect to x. This is given where fx is equal to log x. If fx is equal to log x, f of sin x will be equal to log of sin x only. Now if I differentiate, dy by dx is equal to, right, you do the mistake, you will not get the option, don't worry guys, we will come to know. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of log sin x is 1 by sin x and differentiation of sin x is cos x. Right, cos by sin is cot, so this will be equal to cot x. Answer is option B only. Isn't it, guys? Yes, answer is option B. Okay, let's do one more question for the day, guys. See, let me tell you, this is of the form, okay, in inverse trigonometry you might have done, you must have done sec inverse of x is equal to cos inverse of 1 by x. So this becomes sec inverse of x is cos inverse of 1 by x, cos inverse of x plus root x upon root x minus 1. Okay, and then plus sin inverse of x plus root x upon root x minus 1. Okay, this is of the form cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x. Cos inverse plus sin inverse is pi by 2. So this becomes y equal to pi upon 2. Okay, dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 is a constant, it is 0. Answer is option D. Is it okay, guys? So please subscribe and enable the bell icon, guys, so that you get notifications of all my classes. Alright, please watch, like and share my video, guys. And below the description box there is a link there you can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes, that is free classes on Unacademy platform, where I do this everything in detail, guys. Alright, so please do follow me in Unacademy app as well, and there's a link in the description box. There's a link there where you can use the subscription as well, where you get all the live doubt clearing sessions, guys, and the more than 40 educators on Unacademy platform, where you learn everything in detail. Right, so before I wind up, guys, let me tell you once again about the Unacademy Plus subscription. Right, so Unacademy Plus subscription, these are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. In fact, for 2022 as well, which covers both 11th and 12th syllabus. For 12 months, it will cost you 12375. That is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% discount. This code link is there in your description box as well, where you take where you can take the subscription. 6 months it will be 10125 1688 per month. Use this referral code to get 10% discount. And per month 2250. You get all this, guys, premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, that is daily practice papers, full-length mock, etc. with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. So I'll stop here, guys. My next class will be 23rd of this month at 11:30 in the morning. I'll do part 10 of this PYQs of differentiation. I will further go ahead with the PYQs of Comet K. I'm done with CET. I'm doing Comet K questions. So I'll meet you on 23rd of this month at 11:30 in the morning. Please do watch, like, and share my video, guys. Thanks for joining me. God bless you. Bye.